Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Dear students, friends and viewers, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel. Friends, today I am going to teach you math of class 5th and my topic is today fraction. So friends, what is a fraction? Actually, fraction is a part of a whole and it is denoted by a numerator and a denominator. So friends, let me first explain you what is a whole and a part. Friends, for example, if we have a if we have an apple over here, this is an apple, and when we see over here, this is a full apple, we write it as in mathematics as 1. So here 1 is a whole. If we divide this into two parts like this, now we have two parts. This is 1 and this one we can write it as 1 by 2 and this one as well 1 by 2. So now we have two parts, each 1 by 2. So this is how we can understand what is a whole and what are parts. So friends, let's move ahead. So as I told you earlier that fraction is a part of a whole and it is denoted by a numerator and a denominator. For example, 4 by 6. This 4 is a numerator and 6 is the denominator. Let me tell you one thing over here. 4 is the numerator and it is the part of a whole, and 6, it is the denominator and it denotes whole. It denotes whole. So now let us know about different types of fractions. Now first we have proper fraction. What is a proper fraction? If the numerator is less than denominator, it is called as proper fraction. For example, 2 by 3. If the numerator is less than denominator, it is called as proper fraction. We see over here 2 is the numerator and 3 is the denominator, and here we see numerator 2 is less than the denominator 3. So these types of fractions are called proper fractions. The second one is improper fraction. What is improper fraction? If the numerator is greater than the denominator, it is called as improper fraction. For example, 9 by 6. If the numerator is greater than the denominator, these kinds of fractions are called improper fractions. We see over here 9, which is the numerator, it is greater than the denominator, which is 6. So these kinds of fractions are called improper fractions. So Another type of fraction, that is mixed fraction. So what are mixed fractions? If the whole number is also included with the proper fraction, it is called as mixed fraction. I once again explain you, if the whole number, I mean whole number, is also included with the proper fraction, it is called as mixed fraction. Look at the example. This is a whole number and it is included with the proper fraction like this 1 by 2. So this kind of fraction, it is called mixed fraction. Another example, 3 and 2 by 6. 3, this is whole and this is uh, proper fraction, and this kind of fraction, it's called mixed fraction. Another type of fraction, which is called like fraction. So what are like fractions? If two or more fractions have the same denominator, if two or more fractions have the same denominator, those fractions are called as like fractions. For example, 1 by 4 comma 2 by 4 comma 3 by 4 comma 5 by 4. Now we see over here that their denominators are same. They have same denominator, that is 4. So these kinds of fractions are called like fractions. Another type of fractions, which is called unlike fractions. Unlike fractions. What are unlike fractions? Fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. Like for example, 3 by 7 comma 8 by 5 comma 9 by 12 comma 12 by 6. We see here 7, 5, 12, 6 as denominators. I mean these are different kinds of denominators. So these kinds of fractions are called unlike fractions. So now you might have understand what is a fraction and what are the different types of fractions. So with these words, I see you off. Thanks.